gotten logged into Active Classroom, I wanted to give you a quick tour of some of the features that Active Classroom offers to you. Today you are assigned an introductory essay called Globalization, Yesterday and Today, which you will read over and have a discussion about and answer some questions about. But before we do that, you need to see the tools. Take a look at the toolbar on the top right-hand corner. Up there you'll see a megaphone, and it pops up and says Enable Speech. This is a great tool for you if you don't want to read it to yourself, if you need to hear it read out loud, or if you prefer to hear it read out loud. It's a super helpful tool. So here's how you use it. You will just click on this icon and press play. Alright, so you get the gist of that. Alright, you can pause it at any time and restart through by clicking this hand. I'm going to pause it again. Alright, now I'm going to show you the settings tool to change some information for the read aloud. You can change the voice speed to fast, medium, or slow. You can highlight text in a different color. Yellow is not your color. Okay. You can change the speech mode to click or hover. So if you just hover over a word, you change it to hover and just hover over a word with your mouse, it will go back for you. Also, when you log into Active Classroom, you should see an assignment that has been specifically assigned to you from your teacher. I cannot show you that view because I don't have a student view. But I can tell you there will be the title of the assignment, and there will be buttons, or actually icons, not buttons, 3 little icons on the right-hand side of the title. One of those icons is a rocket ship, which simply means launch the course. So when you are ready to start the course, you click that rocket ship to launch your course. And it will bring you to the very first page of the course. In addition to that, I want to tell you, if we ever take a quiz inside of Active Classroom, it's possible that there will be some quizzes embedded inside of your work. There is no way to click out of the quiz and then click back in. So when you're taking a quiz, make sure that there are no distractions and that you can finish the quiz as we set and when you start the quiz. You will not be able to click out and start over, and I cannot send it back to you. That's one of the issues with Active Classroom, and it has not been corrected. So I just wanted to give you that heads up before we start our very first assignment in Active Classroom.